Guys, welcome to my another video. So we are going to my dollhouse. I make so guys, nobody cares but my videos. Look at look at that. It's like gotcha, right? It's close and open. Look at that, guys. I got the fully ones. Only 16. 60 guys, 60. And this I make. But let's go open it. Oh shit. This not stick because I got tape. But something. Okay, this is the house. We are crafting today a baby. I draw this. This takes so long. Oh no, I scared. Not close. So, but so, yeah, going to put that here. And the baby is here. I got this heart too. This is the all family. I don't, I don't believe it is my brother's got a egg. I think to him and me. I think it is. Okay, let's go then hatching that. Going to sleep. Oh, you take that up, but your shoes take that up because no shoes allowed. Okay, you can get. Oh. Okay, guys, I got this. Sorry, guys, I got hard to put. Wait, this guy's shoes not going to take off. Look at that, it's the same. It's not. Look at that, it's the same. Not the same, just color that. I'm not waiting for the hatch. So we are going to hatch. Oh my god. Oh my god. We're going to hatch this one. Yes. Let's go. Okay. Okay guys. Oh shit. Really guys, I got make this. Yeah, I make this too. Wow, super monster. I hate that so. Man, this is her brother, but no clothes. Look at that. It's gray, gray or blue. I don't know. It look like in no. It's not look like a blue, but the camera is blue. So I work too hard. Here is brother. It's like it's size. Hard to make the face. This is two. This is not. So this is sister and brother. This is only robot. Name is just call him Casey. So Casey just a But Casey's got spinning around. Just work. Nobody cares but her hair is cuter. But guys, you can see that, right? Oh yeah, you cannot see that. Sorry guys, I need to fix my light. Okay, oh yeah, stick up. It's not sticking here, but my phone stick up. Really, let's go put this on here. Don't break, please. Okay. Oh no. Okay. Bye bye, guys. Part 2.